Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today here I am with a curry recipe, and that is taro root curry or chamb curry. Okay, so what all ingredients we need and how is it prepared, I will keep on telling step by step. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have taken a mud pot. You can take any pot, but actually the mud pot tastes better than any other metal pots. Okay, I will add the taro root or jane or arbi. Then I'll add water to it. Only this much of water we are adding so that it may cook nicely. Okay, then to this I will be adding turmeric. Okay, I've added turmeric to this. Then to this I will be adding some green chilies. These green chilies are not too spicy, that's why I'm adding this much. If it's too spicy, then don't add too much, because I'm not using any other chili in this, only green chilies. Okay, and now I have switched on the gas. Let it boil nicely. It should be cooked. So now I will cover this and let it boil. That now to the mixer I will be adding cumin seed, jeera. I will be adding 2 green chilies. I have added 1 cup of grated coconut. This is freshly grated coconut. So you have to add some curry leaves also and little bit of turmeric. Adding. Okay. Then I will be adding little water and I will grind this. Okay, and the paste is ready. Let the taro cook and then we will add this. Okay, let's see friend, our taro root are ready for the curry or not. Are they cooked or not? We have to check. And just break one and see if it is cooked nicely or not. Yes, it is cooked. Yeah, it is cooked. Okay. Now to this I will be adding the coconut mixture. Okay, that I will be adding. So I am adding this. Okay, sorry. So I'm adding it and now I will mix it. And we don't need to boil, we just need to heat it, that's all, because coconut is there. So we are just heating it and then we will switch off the gas and then we will do the tempering part. Okay, little salt also to this. According to the taste we have to add little salt. So I am adding little salt. In very slow flame I have kept it. Just now I will be adding kokum. Okay, I have added it. It's for the tanginess. Okay, so as you can see it's hot enough. Now I will switch off the gas and then I'll start the tempering part. Okay, coconut oil. Better to use coconut oil because it gives good flavor. So I'm adding coconut oil. So friends, I am adding mustard seeds to it. Let it crackle. As you can see friends, mustard seeds are crackling. To this I will be adding some shallots. some curry leaves, and 1 dried red chili. Okay. Let it fry nicely. As you can see friends, it started changing color. Okay, now we will transfer this to the, I'll switch off the gas and transfer it to the curry. Okay. Yes friends, so I'll transfer it to the curry. Mix well. And our curry is ready. Friends, do try this recipe and comment below how it came out. It's very good with plain steamed rice.